I was born to be free.
Go! Morning, everybody. Happy Sunday. Happy week. I don't know, week 20, week 19 of the year. Something like that. I don't even know. Chat, what's up? Good morning. How are you, my people? It has been... Oh, actually, you know what? I'm probably way too loud. All right, can we get a mic check, number one? Number two... I tell you guys, this track is hard, but we don't do Lil Nas X. But anyways, listen, guys, good morning. Happy Sunday. How are you? How are you? I hope you're doing well. It's been a hot minute since we've streamed on a Sunday, but here we are, baby. Here we are. We're here to talk about all of the nothing that Bitcoin is doing. And I just got an alert that is very important. Okay, that is a very important alert. So we're going to talk about Bitcoin. We're going to talk about market Cipher here. Shouts out to CryptoFace, who went long yesterday. Shouts out to me, who said it wasn't time to long yet, for the scalpers. So, Face, if you're in here, I'm not coming at you, bro. I swear. For the scalpers, it wasn't time. And, yeah, man. We're going to talk about it, man, because Bitcoin's not really doing anything, but we're going to talk about what Bitcoin might do next. So, before we do that, Rahards, welcome, my brother. Happy Sunday. God, real. Sizacito, what's up, brother? How are you, my friend? Razor's in the chat. Let's get it, baby. Razor, let me know. Not now because it's too soon, but let me know what you think about the VIP, bro. Crypto Sam, yo Geo, yo Crypto Sam, was popping. Candles don't lie. Previous day high gets taken, then we dump. We'll talk about it. We'll talk about it. Bitcoin Bear is in the chat. It wouldn't be a stream without our boy here, without our number one bear. Welcome, brother. Yo, what's up? Let's make that money. Love this shit. Sunday live. Yo, listen, guys, I'm telling you right now, and hold me accountable. I want you to hold me accountable. We're doing more content, more streams, YouTube Shorts daily, TikTok Reels daily, or TikToks and Reels daily. No more games, baby. This we about to get it. No more games. No more games. Guys, let me get some pickle emojis right now if sound check is good while I take this off because it's getting a little heated in here already. It's getting already a little bit heated. So Bitcoin's been doing nothing, you know. Bitcoin's been basically doing nothing. We're absolutely going to talk about it because, you know, whenever Bitcoin does nothing, this is the time in which we need to be paying attention the most. So we're going to go over. I'm going to go real quick. Rap Peace. What's up, Gio? What's up? What's popping, bro? Kalechi, hey guys, Godzilla, Solana's not moving like BTC. Solana had a good run already. I'm not really paying attention to Solana, though I did do some TA on Solana recently, yesterday actually. Cizacito, candles don't lie. What am I drinking? I am having Earl Grey tea, but actually what I was trying to show you is that it says best mom ever. So I stole the mug from my mother. It says best mom ever. By the way, happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day, and more importantly, what's up, little mama? What's up, little mama? Yeah, we got any mommies in the chat? Holla at me. Is the mic too quiet? It shouldn't be. It should be good, but I'll be waiting for the confirmation. You guys gotta let me know. Let me get that signals in. All right, says no, bro, roast me. I want you guys to roast me. You should roast me. Nonstop Ties in the chat. What's up, my brother? Listen, guys, if you don't know, Nonstop Ties is an absolute G. Beauty. Get in this VIP and start winning with us. Yeah, we're gonna talk about that as well. Actually, let's talk about that. So hello everybody, good morning. Hope you guys had a good weekend or are having a good weekend. Matt BTC, Hodl Crypto, Godzilla, Candles Don't Lie, Cizasi Doto, Atone. No, Mike is good. Cool. Okay, 59k. All right, let's talk about it, man. Let's talk about it. So let's actually start real quick. I'm not gonna get too much into it because I mean I'm not gonna sit here and say I told you so. Like, it doesn't matter, right? I don't care. I don't care to gloat. I don't care. We've been absolutely crushing it in the VIP, okay? In this little scalp range, okay? We are in this little baby range. We had a few trades that we took in our local trades. This one yesterday we shorted. We're still in. Actually, I accidentally closed. Not this short. I'm still in this short, but I accidentally closed this short. Kind of unfortunate. Literally completely accidental. Whatever. Had some, took a long yesterday that we're in a, so we're in a long right now. We shorted yesterday, and this was given in advance in my VIP section, okay? In advance. Again, I'm not here to shill that. I don't really care. If you want to join, the link's in the description, tradewithgeo.com, where I give you guys my levels, my setups. We've been absolutely nailing these entries. We do VIP streams. Anyways, I don't care. Not here to shill that. Not today. Today ain't that day. Today we're going to be talking about what Bitcoin might be doing in the more macro of it, okay? So let's zoom out here, okay? I actually want to, very much so... Geo styled his hair with grease. Does it look greasy? Man, y'all making me insecure now. Hold on. Here, let me get my new thing. My newest accessory. Get my newest accessory on. Because Dave is here on a Sunday choosing violence against me, fucking me up. All right, listen. So let's talk about Bitcoin. Let's talk about the macro of it. So we know that since, I mean, when was this? Beginning of the year, basically. February. We've been in a sideways range, okay? Whenever you're in a range, you should be looking to short the highs and to long the lows, okay? This is our range. Clear as day. Easy to see. I don't think anybody will dispute that. No chance, no shot. Now, what ended up happening last week, or not last week, but quite a few weeks ago, couple weeks ago, Yeah, last week, maybe a couple weeks ago. We ended up finally sweeping this low. Okay, finally sweeping this low. You guys know that I've been talking about this low for a very long time. I've been talking about 53K for a very long time. And so to answer this question, you know, dump that shit to 50K. Not that that's a question, but or here 59K. We took a low. Okay, we took a low. Now I made a YouTube video like 3 or 4 days ago. I know, bro. I know. I made a YouTube video 3 or 4 days ago talking about this low and talking about how I actually don't like the way that this low looks, simply because it did the thing that Bitcoin does. Wait, which low is it? Here. This low down here. Simply because it did the thing that Bitcoin does where it takes a low, and instead of actually spending some time here and consolidating, it just does this kind of really ugly, like, uptrend looking garbage where it leaves a lot of liquidity and then it blasts off, right? This has been a trend that Bitcoin's been doing for quite some time. Really, I would say ever since the bull market began, give or take 1 year ago. Okay, give or take 1 year ago. Let me take the shades off. Let's get intimate. It's Sunday, baby. This is like, you know, Saturday you hit and quit. Sunday is like you're going to brunch with your bitch. So let's go to brunch together, guys. Not that you're my bitch, but Kenny, what's up, my brother? I hope all is well, man. Hope you're killing it with the ice cream, and I know you're killing it with the scissors, my boy. Okay, so we left that ugly low, right? I made the video 3 days ago, 4 days ago, whenever it was, talking about that and how I don't really like the way that that low looks, okay? But we got to be objective. In the macro of it, we are in the low of the range, right? The lower, let's say 75% of the range, okay? And so, like, if I were to take the range high, right, if I were to grab the range high to now where the range low is, we have our fib levels. You know, I go here. Let me just do it like this. Okay, we got our range. You know, we are basically at the 75% line. So we are in discounted pricing. We should be looking for longs, as I've said, you know. Now, we longed perfectly from the bottom in the VIP Discord. Again, not here to show you, don't care. But I will say this. I don't really like the way that the lows are looking as we currently stand. Confluence with the idea that we may go down, or we may have one more drop, because again, we are eyeing this liquidity and we do have levels beneath us. Confluence with that idea is right now, currently, and again, shouts out to CryptoFace because he said it perfectly yesterday. You know, market cipher on the 4-hour time frame looks good. Okay, now there's a problem when something looks good and it doesn't move. We have been having this 4-hour spike wave. Okay, we have a 4-hour spike wave right now, currently as we speak, on the 4-hour time frame, and this is no different than yesterday, because yesterday we also had a 4-hour spike wave. In addition to that, we had money flow increasing. Okay, so we don't just have a divergence with money flow, but it is like it's really starting to curve to the upside. You can see it, like money flow. You know, we had this angle, right? If you take this angle, we're aiming down, and then a lot of money is coming in all of a sudden, right? And right now, though this is objectively, like if you took the chart away and I saw this, I would long this every day of the week, right? I don't really use anchor triggers because it's a little bit more complicated for me. Not complicated, but it seems to not work out, and it's for reasons like this why they don't really work out well for me when I do it. But anyways, you have your anchor, trigger, money flows coming up, and I know I just hit the chart, but obviously we have our spike wave divergence, which to me is a giga long signal, okay? So the problem is, if this is a giga long signal, which it is, and we even have the vector candle that we can come and recover, okay? So we should be, remember, right now, if you're shorting and you have your stop above this high, you're not allowed to say that, oh, you didn't know that that was gonna happen or that was possible. Like, remember, guys, the vector candles are where your smart money is. Vector candles are like having goggles that can see through clothes. I say it every day. And this is market maker liquidity. We're at the lows, and we should be, yeah, big shout out to Candles Don't Lie, ICT combined with Market Cipher B. we should be looking to trade towards this vector candle. Nobody's allowed to say, oh man, why did it go up? You can see it, okay? I'm telling you, right? Market Cipher is looking good, and you have the vector candle. The problem and my concern, and we're going to talk about one very specific level, which in my opinion is the most important level right now today on Bitcoin, the most important level, which we're going to go over it here in a second, and we might have actually just closed above that level. But the problem right now currently is that Market Cipher is looking bullish, yet we're not going anywhere. And this is a lot of hours. Now, don't get me wrong, it's also the weekend, and weekend volume is low, very low. It's actually dead, in fact. So I'm not going to sit here and say that it can't now go up, because it absolutely can. And like I said, I am long right now, but this looks really good, and this doesn't give you the reaction that you would want to see when you see this, okay? You could argue that the RSIs are far apart, which they are, which indicates a weak move, and you can see it here, okay? On our higher term time frames, 12-hour looks abysmal, right? Money flow is thick in the red. 18-hour looks abysmal. Daily doesn't look good at all, okay? So, Geo, why are you contradicting yourself? Well, number one, I'm scalping. But number two, I can also acknowledge the fact that the number one rule on Market Cipher is the thicker the money flow, the more chances of divergences. And on these higher term time frames, like the 2-day, like the 3-day, we still do have thick money flow. And whenever I see this kind of pattern and I see this kind of chart, I am banking on every day of the week, or rather every 3 days of the week, we are banking on a nice white dot on the bottom. This is going to be your spike wave, right? This is your set wave. We're setting the price up to spike it down, okay, on the 3-day. And so understanding where we are in the range, understanding that at the lows of the range, you should be looking along, understanding that if I extend this out, you can see there is a hole here. Okay, there's a hole here. So whether we come and we take these highs or not is right now irrelevant. We're at the low of the range. You should be looking to take the trade. But based on the 3-day as of right now, whenever this white dot confirms, should we not get this white dot, red dot formation that we got here, we could theoretically come and take the highs one more time, the all-time highs. Why is this a not necessarily the most bullish thing if we do that? Well, we already know, and the ones that have been around my channel already know, that to me, in my opinion anyways, what I'm seeing is everybody is stupid bullish, right? I've made many reels about it. I've made many YouTube shorts about it. I've talked about it many times. And I know that you guys don't want to hear that, but people are very bullish, right? Understanding that wherever we find our legs here, it's possible for Bitcoin to do something like this on the 3-day. And this is your spike wave. If you guys don't know what spike wave is, I have a video on my YouTube channel where I go over what a spike wave is. Hold on, I'll pull it up here. Okay, so if you want to know, come over to my video, come over to my channel, go to the playlists, watch my Market Cipher tutorial playlist. Okay, I have a video here which talks about spike waves here on the bottom. I got to rearrange this. Market Cipher B spike waves. It's a new term that I invented to help you understand really what's happening, okay? And so understanding that we may have a spike wave here on the 3-day time frame whenever it comes, and this could take like a month to give us that dot. So I'm not saying it's gonna happen today. I'm not saying long right now. That's absolutely not what I'm saying. But understanding that whenever this white dot happens on the 3-day time frame, we need to know that the number one rule when it comes to Market Cipher, and I've said it since I was blue in the face, is the thicker the money flow, the more chances of divergences. I don't know about you, but I don't see any divergences here on the 3-day yet. So wherever the low is, we could be expecting to take that, and that is good confluence as well with the liquidity that we have above us, because this does not look like a high, not in the slightest. This looks like a high. This looks like a high. We spent too much time here, and we did not take the high again for this to look like a decent high, right? If we zoom out on the weekly time frame, on the monthly time frame, we're spending too much time here. There's no wicks, right? On the monthly, we don't have a wick up here. Yes, we have the vector candles that we can recover. Yes, I absolutely believe that we're going to make our way down. The question is, how much down are we going to go before we go up, or how much up are we going to go before down? Okay, I don't think in the slightest that we have enough juice to go to 100K, or shout out to my guy here that said 150K sarcastically. I don't think we have enough juice to make it 150K. I don't even think we're going to break 100K this cycle personally, but it doesn't matter what I think or what my opinion is. My job is to bring you the facts, okay, and be objective with market cipher and analyze this thing to a T. Okay, so assuming that the low is in, which I've made cases, remember, go watch the video I made 3 days ago that the low is not in. I don't think the low is in yet because we have this ugly liquidity on the low. Assuming that the low is not in, obviously we're looking to come down, obviously volume is low, whatever. Where can we look to potentially bounce, okay, which is what I want to go over in the video. Now, I made a YouTube short again, and I apologize for repeating it, and this is the last time I say it, but I am not going to feed you bullshit and tell you up only, okay? Your other influencers, especially on Twitter, Twitter's the worst with it. Everybody says up only, up only. Did you buy the dip, which is a loaded question. And although I'm telling you that I don't think the high is in, I don't necessarily know if the low is in, and there are levels below us, okay? So if I pull up my scalp trades here, and this is some of the stuff that we cover in VIP, but we've taken some like pretty long time here, so we're gonna go over it. Why not? We have swing levels that we could be looking to trade. Now, this 4-hour low in that video I made 2 days ago, I talk about it, and I talk about the 52K zone, which I absolutely believe that we can make our way up to. Now, if we come down to 53K and we bounce from here before we take the highs, then it's a lot more bullish, in my opinion. But if we come up and we take the highs without touching this level, I'm going to be the biggest bear on the planet when we come up to 74K, if we come up to 74K. I am absolutely looking to short the all-time high. Obviously, I have other zones that I'm looking to short, whatever. But I want to talk about this specific low that we put in yesterday. And I want to talk about the most important level, in my opinion, that we have on Bitcoin literally right now. And that, in my opinion, the level that we're looking at is this guy right here, okay? So if you guys want to mark it on your charts, you can mark it on your chart. It is this level right here. This, in my opinion, today is the most important Bitcoin price this week. Okay? Actually, you could say two, because things either change at here or they change at this level. Well, Geo, which one is it? I don't know, man. I'm not a magician. I'm not a fortune teller. If I was if I could see the future, I wouldn't be doing YouTube, okay? I would be guessing every single lotto ticket ever, and I would not be doing this, okay? So these are your two very most important levels, but I would say that more emphasis is on 61278. Why? The highest structure, okay? The highest time frame structure that allows for us to do this is the 15-minute time frame. Okay, so let me repeat this for those that may not understand what I'm talking about here. But right now, currently, this is your 15-minute structure. Okay, now the reason why 61278 is the most important level is because we are currently right now fighting 4 times of SFPing this level. Okay, so like I said, in the VIP Discord, we shorted the exact high yesterday, okay? I posted this yesterday. We got in this trade yesterday in my VIP Discord. I'm still holding it. And the target, the technical target, is the low because we SFP'd this high, okay? So the job of this low was to take out this high, or this high rather. And not only has it not done that, but it hasn't done that once, twice, almost 3 times, but 3 times, and now 4 times. So 4 times in a row, we are unable to close a 15-minute candle above this level, which means that 60,000 is your target. If we come down to $60,000, we have a level, we have a zone literally right beneath, okay? I'm giving you guys this one for free because why not? We're here. But we got a level right beneath us that we could be looking to trade, that we should be looking to trade. And that level, basically, long story short, is right here. Now, this is a big zone, so you guys do what you want with this zone. But we front ran this zone. Confluence with this zone. We also have a golden pocket. Okay, we also have a golden pocket, which we front ran. Okay, now front running is very golden pockets are a very retail way to trade. Not saying that they don't work, but I'm in the camp that believes they only work because you have an order block here, not because you have a golden pocket. But of course, it adds extra confluence. Nonetheless, it might work out. I'm not going to sit here and say that it doesn't. We can see that we have a lot of liquidity being built up. And so what am I looking for today? Okay, and as a scalper, as a day trader, you guys need to understand something. When it comes time for you to be deciding on which positions you should take, okay, you need to be objective, and you need to say, all right, well, you know, in the macro range, we're at the low, so you should be looking along. But in this local range, we're at the high, and you can clearly see that we're getting signs of weakness at this high. So we're looking to short, okay? And so to answer this question, right, there was a question earlier, do we take yesterday's previous day high and then potentially dump? We can, right? We can. So we had the SFP of the high, okay, on the 15-minute time frame. We had the SFP of the high, and then internally we not immediately, after some time, flipped structure back to bullish, okay? So that to me is telling me that perhaps they're not actually ready yet to take this low. And the thing about SFPs are you can SFP and SFP. So let's take a look at what happened here, okay? For those who don't know what SFP is, it stands for swing failure pattern. Actually, you know what? Before we do that, before we talk about that, okay? Guys, it's Sunday. Happy Sunday, and it's Mother's Day. We have 120 people in here and only 39 likes, which means 80 of you don't have hands, don't have fingers, or don't like my TA. Whichever one it may be. I'm gonna stop talking until we can get to, I think, 70 likes. Let's get 30 more likes, and then I will continue, because I'm here giving you guys the sauce every single day as to why the market moves the way that it does. And I need to get these likes up, man, because the value that I provide here for free for you, I gotta get these likes up. Let's get these likes. Let's get the 70 likes, and I'll continue. In the meantime, I'll just listen to music, because that's what I would probably be doing anyway. Let's see if we can get them likes up. Baby, the algos have been a little bit down right now lately, because I don't want to say slacking. Slacking is not the right word, but I need the algos firing again. And we're coming back harder and not coming back. I never left. But coming back harder and stronger with the content. So, you know, we're doing content every single day. We're doing YouTube shorts and reels every single day, so that I can give you guys market updates every single day. Baby! Let's go. 16 more. 16 more. I've been there, oh. Otherwise, you guys have to hear me sing, and I don't think anybody wants that. Shout out to Market Cipher. While you guys are hitting the like button for me, shout out to Market Cipher. If you guys are looking to purchase Market Cipher, which is, in my opinion, the only oscillator that you need, 20% off discount code Trader Geo. And by the way, if you purchase Market Cipher for 1 year, you get 1 month free of my VIP. If you purchase Market Cipher for life, then you get 1 year free of my VIP. And like I said, in my VIP section, I give you guys video updates. I give you guys market updates 10 times a day. And I show you exactly what I want to see. We enter the trades together, and you have access to the greatest, I don't even want to say trading or crypto network, because that's not really saying much. People in crypto are snakes, but you get access to a solid ass community. And when I make my official VIP like introduction video, which is coming, I'll be able to shill it a lot better. All right. Also, while we're here, guys, disclaimer. Forgot to hit y'all with the disclaimer. All content presented is a complete joke. It should not be taken seriously. Gio's an incompetent 5'2" 3/4" wannabe singer, and definitely not a financial advisor. Crypto's a scam. Making money online is impossible. Global warming is real, and the earth is flat. So viewer discretion is advised. Guys, I'm 5'2" 3/4". I'm literally not lying, so don't listen to me. I have no idea what I'm talking about. Anything that I tell you is a complete lie. I'm just scamming you. Don't listen. All right, let's get back to it. We didn't hit 70, but we hit 65, and I'm good with that. All right, thank you guys for hitting the like button for me. I appreciate every single 65 one of you. 66. All right. So, we have this SFP. This is the most important level in my opinion right now. What happened, though? Expectational order flow is to take the low, okay? This, in nature, is a weak low. And we have this level right beneath us. So, this is good confluence, right? This is building up the idea, building up our narrative, right? Every single day, I teach you guys how to build the narrative. How do we decide which way that we're going to trade towards? This is a good idea as to why price may come down and come and hit this level. Now, remember how we started the video, right? We talked about Market Cipher, and we talked about the 4-hour time frame, and we talked about how every single day of the week, this is along, but we're not doing anything. And we're generating liquidity beneath us, on top of the fact that we front ran the zone, we didn't hit the order block. So this right now is telling me that maybe this is not that strong of a move, and maybe we're not going to even get that little bit of juice before we come down. So to me, what makes sense, in my opinion anyways, is to make our way down, obviously, and sweep this low because we have a lot of liquidity beneath us. However, we switched structure bullishly. So Geo, what the hell, man? You're contradicting yourself. Well, like I was saying here, you can SFP and SFP. So let's come back to the 15-minute time frame, and let's just understand what I'm saying here, okay? For those who don't know, SFP stands for swing failure pattern, which is a liquidity grab, and you should always be watching for these, okay? Look at how internally, this is your structure, right? We SFP'd the low, and this is your target, right? Actually, this up here would be your target. Okay, so let me fix that. This would be your target internally for this SFP. However, what did we do? We kind of lagged behind a little bit. Okay, we didn't get that SFP, and then we SFP'd the SFP. So we had 3 taps of this SFP, and then we came up and hit that level. Okay, so understanding that we just did that and we flipped structure bullishly. And here's going to be the answer to the question that, you know, could we potentially sweep yesterday's high and then come back down? I will say absolutely. We absolutely can, for the reason that I just went over. You can SFP and SFP. And although we went over right now how this was your initial high, okay, and this is the most important level, 61278, and we once, twice, 3 times, 4 times now SFP'd that high, which we did, okay? We only SFP'd the SFP once because there is liquidity that resides here. Yesterday, when I shorted this high, my stop, and currently still, my stop is above this high. I never got stopped out because they never came and grabbed that liquidity. So when they decided to not come and grab that liquidity, they're not SFPing the SFP, though they're struggling to get above this very important level. So in my mind, because we're at the high, because we have failed to come and take the low over the weekend with low volume, and we flipped structure bullishly, what I'm looking for right now is something like this. Sweep that high, and then come down and sweep this low. So to answer the question, and to answer the question in the title and the thumbnail, is it time to buy? I don't think so. I don't think it's time yet. Despite the 4-hour looking bullish, right? Despite us having the spike wave, I think that, and despite the 6-hour being like this, whatever, and us getting anchor trigger waves, I just don't see it. And it's all indicated, it all comes together, guys. And this is what I do on this channel. Shouts out to Alex O Crypto. This is what I do on this channel. And so this is why yesterday, when CryptoFace went live, and he's long, I don't know if he's still long. You know, I also, on my Twitter, like I said, on my X here, I posted, and I said, look, I posted a picture, and I said, look, 4-hour spike wave. And then I replied, and I said, by the way, at scalpers, it is not time to long yet. And it makes a difference if you're a scalper or not, because when you're scalping, I'm in positions that are 100x leverage, and I'm in positions that, you know, I'm trying to get the exact lows. I'm trying to get the exact highs like I did yesterday. So if you are long, like the way CryptoFace is long, and CryptoFace allows for drawdown, then cool, you know? He's like, and that's the way he trades, and that's, you know, great. I don't have the luxury of putting down millions of dollars on a position. I don't have that capital, so I'm trying to scalp it. And so, you know, that's why I tweeted yesterday, guys, it's not time yet, you know? And like I said, man, everybody is in my opinion, still way too bullish. Right, we have that level beneath us. We have all this liquidity beneath us as well. So if you're not in any trades right now, in my 5'2 3/4 want to be singing non-financial advising opinion that you shouldn't listen to, because I am super short. I have no idea what I'm talking about. I'm gonna lose to Alex O Crypto in a boxing fight. Why would you want to listen to somebody that gets knocked out? He's gonna knock me out. Then you know what I would do right now is I would be looking for 2 trades and 2 trades only, which is a sweep of this high. Mind you, we have to SFP this low, or this high rather, right? So we would want to see, seemingly out of nowhere today, seemingly out of nowhere, a nice green vector candle. Okay, a nice green, pretend this is green, nice green vector candle out of nowhere to sweep that high. Okay. We also low key, don't tell people. Very low key. We have a level that we front ran yesterday. That's like this. I'm gonna give you guys some homework. I'm not gonna give you everything. Go find this level. Okay. My VIP members know this level. We have inducement on this level. Go find it. Okay. That's your homework. Go find this level. But it's somewhere here. And we're looking for a nice fat green vector candle that will come out of seemingly nowhere. Remember, because the SFP target is the low, but we flipped bullishly and it's not really looking good. And we have inducement on this high zone, whatever else. So what could we get here? We could get this. We could get this. We could get this green vector candle out of seemingly nowhere. Sweep yesterday's low. Short the shit out of this, especially if this SFP is, and we close this candle beneath, in my opinion, the most important level on Bitcoin right now, which is 61278, non-negotiable for the scalpers at least. Then we can have a position that looks relatively like this. Okay. And for my VIPs, obviously, if this comes into fruition, we're going to be updating you guys. And by we, I mean me. And we'll be looking to take this down to this low, because I don't know if the low is in right now, but as of right now, Market Cipher is saying up and it's not going up. So this is how, by the way, you guys decide to create a plan. All right. That was a lot, man. That was a lot, guys. Hit the like button for me, please, and thank you. Shouts out to everybody that's here. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. My name is Geo. Every single day I teach you guys why the market moves the way that it does, so that you can build confidence with your trading. All right. GB Mac, good morning. Am I drinking Pyrex measured? Yeah, I am. Can't lie. Love my brother Geo for real. First guy to actually get in the Discord voice chat with me and talk to me about how to look at Market Cipher B. I appreciate you, man. Thank you very much for the love. Guys, I just want to help as many people as I can. Literally, that's all I'm looking for. That's all I want to do. So thank you. I appreciate the love. Geo, want to roast my live trades? You're in 2 longs right now. I'm just one of the boys. Yeah, man, I'm in for the roast. Chris says I can't like the videos because my liked videos is your music playlist. I'll sing to you, Chris. Come on now. I'll sing to you. What's up, Gio? Big up from Portugal. Shout out Portugal. Big ups from Toronto, Canada. How are you, my friend? I hope Sunday is treating you very well. Godzilla's in the chat. Dak is in the chat. Dak's a G. Big thank you to Dak, my #1 moderator. Been with me since like literally the 3rd day of Trader Geo. So Andrew's liking for the moms. Jeff is in the chat. Mr. Quackmaster. Shouts out to Flop and Groper. Yes, sir. The earth is flat. For sure active in the Discord. Man, I try to get in there as much as I can. Do me a favor, Razor, bro. In 1 week, at the end of the week, I want you to come into the stream. Not that you're not in every single stream, because you are. And I want you to let me know how your trial is going. Jeff doesn't trade weekends anymore. Smart decision, man. Otter Gang. What's poppin'? Am I tired of winning? Winning. Nah, I never get tired of winning. I'm tired of lack of volatility, man. I'm tired of everybody in crypto getting so happy about the stupid halving. And look, I don't care. Like, look, there are investors. Cool. And to each their own. I'm not going to knock it. But there are investors. And then there are traders. As a trader, I don't care if it goes up and down. I care if there's volatility. So if something happens that's more macro bullish, quote unquote bullish, then and it causes like lack of volatility, then that's when I'm like, yo, I don't like, screw this, you know. My girl, talking about my girl. Should we go my girl? Bum 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 bum, my girl. All right, let's hit this one. We're gonna do this. It's Sunday, baby. Let's go. Happy Sunday. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Sunday. Happy Mother's Day. Bam, 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 bam. Hold on. We're going to do this right. I actually don't even know how this song goes. I know how it goes, but I don't like know it properly. You know what I'm saying? I don't know it properly, but we're going to try it. We're going to try it. We're going to do it. We're going to get it. Shouts out to Ryan, by the way, in the TikTok, or in the Twitter, rather. You say that world is way. My girl, talking about my girl. Man, I sound so much better with the echo on. I'm just gonna keep the echo, man. Echo, man. All right, let me catch up on these on the comments here. Staying finger forgot to use the finger to hit the like button. Sorry, you're late. Tommy Luck is in the chat. What's up, my brother? We are waiting to take yesterday's high. Let me catch you up, Mr. Tommy Luck. Thank you for being here, bro. We're looking for this. I want this. Give me this green vector. Nice green vector, and then short it to oblivion. That is the game plan of the day. Trading style and time frame is so important. Yes, sir. And by the way, guys, this is how you basically turn a scalp trade into a swing trade, right? Like you understand your swing levels, and then you go to, you scalp it when you're at those swing levels, and then you hold that bitch. That's how you get it. You know what I'm saying? Now, man, we both winners in that fight because we homies. Yes, sir. All love. All love. Talking about my girl. My girl. Heart says good. Bless you. God bless you. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Candles Don't Lie loves the hat. Alex and Gio, you guys serious? Will you both actually train and take the fight seriously? I train every day anyways, bro. So listen, if Alex is trying to catch these hands, like we could have an internet beef. No, I'm just kidding, man. It's all love between me and Alex. Fiji Jan, what's up, my brother? How are you, my friend? Welcome back. Martyrs Way, how you doing, people? People are doing well. How are you, my friend? Sing the song, My Girl. Guys, give me, what's a good, like, Mother's Day song? What is a good Mother's Day? Put your head on my... I mean, I don't know why you would sing that to your mother, but let's hit that one. Let's hit that one real quick, and then we'll get back to the TA. I'll look at some altcoins for you guys, too. Drop some altcoins, guys. I'll look at a couple. I'll look at a couple altcoins for you. Whoa. Put your head on my shoulder, hold me in your arms, baby, squeeze me oh so tight, show me you and I will fall in love. Shouts out to Food Forest, who is one of my Otter Gang people. Put your head on my mind, dear. Won't you kiss me once? Yo, actually. Okay, guys, listen. Drop me some altcoins, and while you do that, yo, I've been like really fucking with Elvis lately. Like Elvis is a G, bro. Elvis is a absolute G. Putting up with my shit every day. Thanks, guys. All right, let's take a look at some of your altcoins. Mine, if you're looking for trouble, you come to the right place. If you're looking for trouble. All right, guys. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry that I'm putting you through this on Sunday morning. All right, let's take a look. Sweet Caroline. Sweet Caroline. Hoochie Mama. Auto Gang, Big Crew, too much love. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good morning, everybody. Jasmine. All right, Theta. Or JTO. Let's take a look at JTO. I don't know what JTO even is, but now here. Why is this laggy now? Am I lagging? Did my shit just all freeze? Did I just giga freeze? Everything is freezing. Everything is freezing. Why are we freezing? Okay, let's close some tabs here. Are we back? Are we good? We were freezing. Are we good? Hello, everybody. Are we back? Are we good? Okay, JTO. What in the absolute hell is this? Oh, that was the 5-minute time frame. All right, let's take a look at JTO real quick. So this is a relatively new coin. Came out in December. We are obviously just ranging. We're back, right? You guys can hear me. You guys can see me. I need confirmation real quick. Discoteca, because I froze there for a second. Okay, I'm good. Cool. Okay, so we're just ranging here. Market Cipher right now on the 6 hour looks bullish. I'm not going to sit here and say it doesn't. Absolutely looks bullish. We have thick money flow in the green. Well, I guess in my case, in the white. Thick money flow in the on the 6 hour, on the 4 hour. 4 hours getting thicker. 8 hours starting to head up. So things are looking more bullish than they are bearish in terms of Market Cipher. Now, despite things looking a little bit more bullish than bearish, I have to tell you all the time, hello. And I tell you guys this every single week. Every single day, actually. Whenever you're watching your altcoins, you have to watch Bitcoin, okay? Because your alts are going to do what Bitcoin does. So, if I open up a new tab here and I pull up Bitcoin, because I didn't even know that you could do multiple tabs until recently. But if I show you Bitcoin here, right? Here we're on Bitcoin. Here we're on JTO, okay? Justin Timberlake coin, okay? And so if Bitcoin right now, understand what I'm telling you. You have to pay attention to what your altcoins are doing relative to Bitcoin. Bitcoin right now has the potential of coming back up and sweeping these highs, or at the very least coming into this area right here around 62.6. Is it going to happen? I don't know, but we are looking for shorts. And if this is going to be the low for Bitcoin, which it could be, right? It could be, because we did have technically, what's it called? An accumulation down here while front running the golden pocket and our order block at the low. Fine, whatever, doesn't matter. Okay. So if this idea to short here fails because we close a 15-minute candle above this high, then it is very likely that your JTO is going to continue to the upside, right? 4 hour on Bitcoin looks bullish, right? We have the spike waves, we have the money flow divergences, everything is looking decent. And so you need to pay attention to that when you're trading this. But one thing I want to bring to your attention is we know the number one rule when it comes to Market Cipher is okay, wait, my mic volume is probably way better now. My bad. Thank you for the update here. It's definitely better now. So you got to keep in mind, right? Like, although it looks bullish and although we are, I mean, currently right now, just like I said on Bitcoin, the most important level was that level. The most important level right here is whatever this price is, 4196, okay? Because we are potentially getting swing failure patterns of multiple days trying to get above this high. If we can get above this high, we're probably coming for this high. If we take this high, then you need to understand your order of operations when it comes to Market Cipher, okay? And your order of operations, for those who may not know, is your VWAP oscillates this fast, your momentum waves oscillate this fast, and your money flow oscillates this fast. Your VWAP is leading for your momentum waves, and your momentum waves are leading for your money flow, which means if this keeps oscillating higher and higher, and money flow will start coming up slowly. But by the time this decides to come down, money flow will come down slower. And if we have continued money flow divergences as price takes this high, then that is a bearish sign. Remember, depending on what Bitcoin does will depend on what this coin does. And if Bitcoin gets a decent pump, this coin looks like it might have the legs to take the high again. It might, not will, might have the legs to do that. And so if it decides to do that, you will be getting those divergences over time. And so if you are long on this coin, in my opinion, I'm not an altcoin scalper, but absolutely take profits to the all-time high. Don't be like Bitcoin. Don't be like the Bitcoin maxis that are crying for 100K, 150K, and then the market gives them 10 all-time highs in the same week and they don't take profit ever. Because if you don't take profit, listen, if Bitcoin was 15K and then it goes up to 74K and they don't take profit at the all-time high, like these people that are screaming for way higher will never take profit. Like it will never serve them. It'll never be enough for them. So if they didn't take profit at 74, they're not going to take profit at 150. So it doesn't matter. My point is don't fall for the BS. You know, if we end up coming and take this high, sell some of your bags, man. At least take your initial out. At the very least, in my opinion, anyway. In my non-financial advice opinion, okay? Objectively speaking, I mean, there's not really too much data to work with, but if we were going to follow structure up on like the daily time frame, for example, from the low, we have low, high. That shit's all internal. That we can skip. It doesn't matter. And then we did actually, in fact, flip bearish. Okay, we did flip bearish. So would I bank on the idea of taking the high? Not really, especially because dominance relatively is up for Bitcoin. Okay. Dominance is up and it's on the rise. So would I expect that? No. Would I expect a potential short if we keep SFPing up here? Absolutely. We probably have a golden pocket here as well. Yeah, we're in the golden pocket. And we have all this liquidity beneath us that we can come and grab. And we also are acknowledging, remember, you got to watch what Bitcoin's doing. You're also acknowledging that Bitcoin could fall through this level. If we lose this level, guys, we're coming back for this low. And if we lose 56K, in my opinion, like we're coming down to 52, let's say 52.5. So in my opinion, if we start breaking below 58 or 59, if we start closing candles below 59K, we're going down to 52. So we're like literally hanging on by a thread right now, by a little G string, which by the way, guys, welcome to the G spot, the name of my stream here. Do me a solid and hit the like button for me and for your mama. All right. That's that coin. What is next? Jasmine, because I clicked on it. Jasmine. Jasmine coin. All right, Jasmine's looking relatively like Bitcoin in the macro of it. Undeniably looking very much so like Bitcoin. This kind of looks like ass, to be honest. I don't like the way this looks at all. And the reason I don't like the way that it looks, literally in the slightest, is because if you're following your structure on like these higher term time frames, you have up, down, up, and like everything else is just internal, right? So this is your range, but it's kind of an ugly looking range because not really any major highs or major lows have been swept. And so what I would suggest in regards to Jasmine, I mean, really, I would suggest don't even touch it. But if you wanted to, you're just going to trade this range. How, you know, we trade every range, right? That's what I would suggest. Trade it how we trade every range. So look to short the highs, look to long the lows. The problem is that there are wicks on both sides of it, and no real liquidity has been taken on either side, okay? And not only that, but internal liquidity has been taken on both sides. Okay, so that's a little bit problematic. And that actually makes it very difficult to look for short zones or long zones. So let's see if we can come up with something because this doesn't look good. I probably wouldn't trade it. Like this order block has been mitigated and then we came down and broke structure. I mean, I would say probably look for shorts above these highs because these are ugly highs. So we could easily come for those. Also below this low. So for me, I mean, very simple, very simply put, I can make Jasmine super easy. That low is the most important. Oh, actually, we took that low, so that's not even the most important low. That's literally not even... These highs for sure. These highs for sure. I would look for shorts there. And remember, you got to follow Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin decides to come up today or tomorrow, then probably so will Jasmine. Let me see if we can find anything that I potentially missed. Yeah, I mean, this is like... It looks like everything's been mitigated. So this is kind of like... Jasmine is not the best coin right now. And I saw it on first glance. Like, for literally first glance, I'm like, yo, this doesn't look good. Una mattina, I think I like ya. Oh, bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao, 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 seppellire. You're coming with me. Baby girl, it's you and I. All right, here's your trade. I would even take this down, or I would do this. Was this guy mitigated? Oh, interesting. Is that mitigated? Yeah, that's mitigated. Okay, yeah. So here's what I would say for Jasmine. Remember, if Bitcoin goes up, Jasmine's probably going to come up. Okay. In this regard, look at this, right? Whoever's trading this is seeing shoulder, head, shoulder, right? And so here's what I'm going to say. Number one, I don't trade head and shoulders. I left head and shoulders behind in in kindergarten, me personally, but I mean, to each their own. Everybody will look at that as a head and shoulders, and then, you know, draw the line and say that your target, that kind of looks like a dick, and then draw your target up here, which fair, it might happen. I'm not going to say it's not going to happen, but here's what I am going to tell you. If this zone fails, then you're probably going to come for this high. Honestly, in my opinion, very simply put. So if this zone fails, and it depends. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna look at this. I got you. I got the boys. I got the boys on Mother's Day. I got the boys. Okay, so everything internal. That's your daily high. That's your daily low. Let's take structure from. Let's go 8 hour and let's do this. Let's go down, up, down, closed. So what is the highest time frame we need for this? 12 hour, yes. 18 hour. I don't really want to go higher than 12. Okay, so we're gonna call this a 12-hour SFP. No, you know what? We're gonna call this a daily SFP. Okay, this is gonna be a daily SFP because we got to be a little bit like, although it's internal. Yeah, although it's internal, like, oh, you know what? No, I don't like it. I don't like the 12. Yeah, okay, we're gonna say daily SFP. So if this SFP is on the daily time frame, if it SFPs, then your target's gonna be down here. I mean, really, your target's gonna be coming down for the lows. And if it doesn't, then you're gonna target like somewhere here, which we don't know where yet. And then we're expecting the market to go higher. And remember, with Bitcoin looking bullish, if Bitcoin decides to come up to 67K or 71K, which we've been waiting for and we've been talking about, then, you know, we could get something like this. So it really depends on what happens here first, okay? But there's your levels. There's your trade. Here's where we're looking for shorts. I'm going to put an alert here as well. Okay, I'm going to put an alert because I'll take the trade and then I'll come back and say that we took the trade on Mama's Day. So look for short/day SFP. Okay, if we take it, we take it. If we don't, we don't. I'll update my VIP members in the Discord later if and when this happens, but there's your trade. That's what I think basically is going to happen for Jasmine. Wait, my chart is still on GTO the whole time? Bro! Oh my god! Yo, I'm having issues with thing lately. OBS has been tweaking lately, man. I'm so mad. Hold on. Okay, there, better. I can't believe that I just did that, dude. I actually can't believe I just did that. Anyways, there you go. I'm not going to go over that again. But basically, here's your homework now. Go back and listen to everything I said and then try to piece it all together. But I drew it out all there for you. That is so funny. I'm sorry, guys. That's my bad. Okay, it's good now, though. Okay, damn. I'm going to start checking at... I'm going to start checking the chat, like, in between. Because, yo, I've been having issues with OBS lately. Man, I'm making videos. Guy went live to not read the chat. I went live on I made a video, bro. I made a video and it like completely completely like bugged out like 1 minute in, and I had to redo the entire like 30-minute video. I was so mad. Yeah, only 30% of the show. I need my hat back. Guys, I need a hair transplant. Tell me when they want. Anyways, there you go. Still on GTA. Yeah, I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. I am so sorry. So sorry. All right. DV says check chat. Much love. I'm sorry, man. Thank you very much for the donation. I appreciate you. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. Sorry. My bad. My bad. All right, let's come back to BTCZ. So our little plan is coming into fruition, it looks like, for now, at least. You can't read the chat? No, I just get so into it, bro. I'm just very passionate about Jasmine because it sounds like Jasmine, and I'm trying to be Aladdin. Happy Mother's Day, mommy. Happy Mother's Day to Jasmine. Geo needs some milk. Is that a MAGA hat? Hell yeah, brother. Hell yeah, brother. The Canadian is rocking a MAGA hat. And I have a Trump thingy. A Trump flag right here. Look, I show you. Hell yeah, brother. All right. Man, I just get so into it. Can I sing Ramazotti? I don't even know what that is, brother. Don't even know what it is, man. Look at Umaga. You guys know that Umaga guy from WWE? Umit Ozcan. Umit Ozcan. Yo, wagwan to everybody in the chat, man. Thank you guys for being here and spending your Mother's Day with me. This looks interesting, this coin. That's interesting. Okay. So this shite is running. Man, you guys, this is kind of interesting here. Dude, I don't even know what's going on here. I don't even know, bro. Okay, well, I'll tell you this. I mean, this is liquidity. Right? We got money there. This thing is respecting order blocks. I'll tell you that. It is respecting order blocks. Absolutely respecting the order blocks. Am I frozen again? I'm good now. The crystal vision. Okay, here's what I'm gonna say. We're gonna do this market cipher way because I don't know, like this TA is kind of weird. I will tell you this, there's a lot of liquidity above these highs. Again, you got to pay attention to Bitcoin whenever you're trading these, especially what I'm going to consider shit coins. And the first level that I would be watching for is this high, obviously. However, there's nothing unmitigated between here and here. So really, I would look to take out this high, to be quite frank with you. And let's see if there's anything between those levels. Yeah, I would look to take out that high. In which case, let's see over here. Man, honestly, okay, so for this coin, because it's mad whack and it's wicking and it's moving and it's being weird and whatever, I wouldn't even play it on like finding a key zones type of play if you are looking to day trade this or whatever. I would look at it just based on liquidity. So you have two levels, obviously this high and this high. I wouldn't touch anything but unless structure flips against you, except for these two highs. You know, and then obviously this, what I am assuming is the all-time high. Remember, if Bitcoin decides to make a run, your altcoins are going to move up as well. For now, especially because we came this close, I would not even touch any shorts if you're here. In my 5'3" and 5'2 3/4 want to be singing non-financial advice. Unless we touch this high, because this just like looks weird. But I will tell you this, in terms of market cipher, 8 hours looking bullish, 12 hours looking bullish, 18 hours looking bullish, 6 hours looking bullish, 4 hours looking bullish, 3 hours looking bullish. Actually, 3 hours not looking bullish. Everything else is looking hot, so it could keep running. I would, if you're long on this or you whatever, and you're scalping it, I would take profits at this high, but you guys do whatever you want. I don't really have anything else to say, unfortunately, about this. We're simply just ranging, okay? Here's your range. Whoops. We are simply ranging. This is your range. Okay, that's your range. We're at the exact dead 50 line of the range. So not really much to discuss here. You know, we're above the point of control. We're probably headed to the value area high, which is what good confluence here with the whole liquidity thing. So I prefer this SFP over this SFP because while we are trading the range, we understand that there is dead space here. So we could come and fill that dead space and then continue to range. So, I mean, personally, I would look to short here if I'm scalping it. I would look to short here if I'm swinging it, right? Aside from that, nothing else to talk about on this coin. Mom Geo? Yeah, I do have a mom. Do you? My mother's my best friend. She's a bundle of joy. She's an amazing woman. Even though we're going through it. Am I still? Okay, I'm still not lagging. Good. We like it. We like it. Eros Ramazzotti. Sounds just like me. I will have to check this person out. I will take a screenshot so that I can check him out. Hey, Gio, please look at Grok, a.k.a. Pull the lever, Gronk. Dude, honestly, I was like, I would have been a little bit reluctant to pull it, I would have been a little bit reluctant, but because you said, pull the lever, Gronk, I can't not. Who is messaging me? Pull the lever, Gronk. And even though we're going through it and it makes you feel alone, just know that I will. Pull the lever, Kronk. Josh Jones says, just found your content, bro. Your way of explaining things resonates with me. I appreciate it, man. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the network. My name is Gio, and every single day I teach you guys why the market moves the way that it does. So, welcome for the ride, man. I'm glad to have you here. Very glad to have you here, my friend. All right, let's talk about Pull the lever, Kronk. So, I don't remember when we did TA on this, but Pull the lever, Kronk is flipped bearish on the daily, so it seems. So that's interesting, okay? This coin flipped bearish on the daily, which means this is your daily high. Damn, this thing actually recovered like a pretty decent amount from I guess this only came out recently, but like, let's see how much it recovered. If we pull a, I mean, we're just ranging, so we could keep that template on, but yeah, I mean, wow, we already recovered that much. That's pretty insane. Anyways, daily structure flipped bearish. And that being said, technically speaking, you should be looking for a lower high to make a lower low. So this idea is still what I would technically be looking for. And remember, I cannot say this enough. Your coins are going to follow Bitcoin, so we need to be paying attention to Bitcoin. And right now, we do have this level here that we actually did mitigate. Interestingly enough, we did mitigate, but we have other order blocks at the lows here as well. So this is what I would to get really bullish on this, and this is actually what I actually think is going to happen. I actually genuinely believe that this is going to happen. Let me just make sure my chart is good. Okay. I actually think that, again, this drawing is an idea. It's not like an exact, thing. But here's what I would say. For me to get proper bullish on this, we have a lot of liquidity above us. We know that Bitcoin can dump, right? And so let's come back to BTCZ. So what are we looking at? I just want to recap, okay? What I'm personally looking on Bitcoin, like I said, we could come up and hit that SFP level. We have alerts there, and we might take that trade today. But if we come up to this zone, like any zone that makes sense here to short, right, we're going to be looking to short it, right? Especially if we don't take this, if we don't come down to 52K. So if that ends up happening and we ended up shorting on Bitcoin, we're definitely going to short these alts as well. And so in the more macro of this pull the lever, Kronk coin, then I would want wherever the high is right now, which is like this internal high, and then we come and take the low again, which confirms this as a point, and then we would have to break that point wherever that point may be, right? Bullishly come back for the retracement and then continue it up. That's what I would be looking for in terms of pull the lever, Kronk. But locally speaking, because ain't nobody got time to wait years to make millions, we got to make it now. Locally speaking, I mean, you have obviously liquidity. Well, you actually have liquidity being built up in both directions. And if you want to be a child and draw triangles, you could draw this. Sure, we're just consolidating. We're just in a trial or in a triangle. We have liquidity going both ways. Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know. The best answer I have for this is gonna be just watch Bitcoin, because this kind of looks like ass. This range based order block on the low got mitigated, and we swept some lows. So I'm like pretty content with the way that this low looks right now. But it's really going to depend on Bitcoin. And I don't know what Bitcoin's going to do right now. Obviously, we have our projection. And our projection on BTCZ is actually coming into fruition as we are speaking. So, hello, the longs are printing right now. And yeah. So, I will... I mean, that's kind of all I got to say here, unfortunately. You know, we're at... If you're looking at the range... The local range, what we'll call, is we have... kind of this, and you're at the low of it, so you should be looking along. Like, if I was gonna guess, I would favor the long over the shorts right now. But you know, again, it depends on Bitcoin. Yo, Geo the Sniper, what's up, my brother? How are you? It's going to S&P the high, then dump right back down. Yeah, maybe. Gary Network once, buddy. Hey, Geo, look at pull the lever, Kronk. Morovsky, hey, how are you? Miss you, bro. I miss you too, man. How you doing? Geo the Sniper. Geo, are you ignoring my requests, bud? No, I'm not. I must have missed it. What did you request for? Let me go find what you request for. Disclosure crypto. Dun, 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 dun. What did you request, bro? Let me know and I'll check it out. Cause I don't. Oh, is this is that what Gary is? No, I don't know what Gary is. What is that? I'm sorry, I didn't mean to ignore you. I did not mean to think. Cup and handles, SFP, then what? Boom. Yeah, maybe. You know, that like, I don't remember which coin it was today, but on one of the coins today, we talked about there was like a cup and handle, and you know, or not a cup and handle, it was a head and shoulder, reverse head and shoulders. And yeah, on Jasmine. And yeah, like that will be the ultimate fake out. You know, people are still way too bullish, and people still think that up only is the way, and it's not going to go up only. But the question is how low first, and I don't know the answer to that. But you know, if we come up, I hope we get another all-time high. I swear to God I do, because if I see the signs, I will short it to like all hell. People are too bullish. When I'm up there, hey, when we're up there, I'm not doing anything right now. I'm not saying we're not going higher. I'm saying we're like, I'm long right now. So CF is in a long, so Sunday pump. Yes, sir. CF longed yesterday. I was in that stream. I was checking it out. Yeah, so bro, again, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to ignore your request, but let me know. I'm gonna go use the bathroom real quick, so I'll be back in like a minute. But let me know what Gary Network is, because I have absolutely no idea what that is. But while you let me know, everybody else, do me a solid, hit the like button for me, and I will be back in 1 minute. BRB.
Stay here one more time.
Hey, baby, you can be my girl, I could be your man. Let's get this pumping and wherever you want. Hey, baby, you could get my girl. All right, look at that. BTC is breaking the BTC line. So, what did I say at the beginning of the stream? The most important level is this line, and it's this line on the 15-minute time frame. And actually, friendos, hello, we actually just closed above it. Now, this is not a very large break, so I'm not going to treat it as a break, but right now, this is looking like a decent low. Okay, and once again, guys, you know, if you're looking for the ultimate trading network on the planet, there is no better. Then hop on into the Discord. The link is in the description down below. I have a free section, and of course, I have a premium section at tradewithgeo.com. Also, what you get are also. Anyways, I'm gonna actually play this for you guys. Hold on. Let me play this. I'm gonna play this for you guys. I'm gonna give you guys a little sample of the videos that you get in the VIP. And I update this guy. Look how many times I update. Look, let me show you. Let's go down the journey, okay? So 0509, 8:37 a.m., 11 a.m., 11:12 a.m., 11:12 a.m. Again, 4 a.m. the next day, okay? 12:13 p.m., 2 p.m., 4:30 p.m., 8:30 p.m. And this is just the scalps channel. I also update, obviously, the like live channel as well. This one is updated less. Like the scalps are updated way more. But we do VIP streams. You get access to the network where people actually care about each other, and crypto's not stupid and annoying and like everyone is anonymous. No, we don't do that. I actually genuinely know your names. I know your voices. I know your faces. We actually give a shit about each other in here, unlike literally every other network on the planet. So, or rather community, because this is a network, not a community. Okay, so here's what you guys get.
Okay, guys, there's a lot going on here, so
let me show you. Let me show you. And we took this short, but this is an example of what you get in the VIP Discord.
Okay, guys, there's a lot going on here, so I wanted to just go over it real quick. So this 15-minute high, we SFP'd. Okay, we SFP'd it. So the technical target is here, and we've tried for a few candles now to get above this level, and it's showing weakness. Now, the 4-hour, as I mentioned, is bullish. We need to look for longs. I don't want to rush it, though. So what I'm waiting for is either a break above this line, okay, which we're failing. That's basically what I'm waiting for. Or option one of these, okay? So what could happen right now? 15 structure could do this. SFP again into this order block, in which case the target would only be this low. That's option A. Option B is we come down, we mitigate this guy, which I don't really like this option, but we mitigate this guy. I like this option if we do this. Like if price goes down, SFP again, down, SFP this low.
Okay, so you guys get the idea. Anyways, look, you get multiple updates. Usually I'm not sleeping. Like I was in bed and I had to be quiet. My nephew was here and he was sleeping next day. Yeah, okay, I know, Dave. I'm telling you, I'm updating you guys in the middle of the night, okay? When my nephew's in the room next to me and like I can't be loud. Okay, but anyways, you get videos like this, you get updates like this all the time. We ended up taking the trade. We ended up getting into the trade. You know, people were longing up here. Nah, we wait. Patience pays, baby. Patience pays. Patience pays. Anyways, you get a lot. Your chart is frozen on stream. Yeah, you guys see how late I am. Anyway, so what do we got right now? We got Bitcoin waiting at this thing and not at this thing, at this line. Very important line, the most important line on Bitcoin today, in my opinion. And we technically closed above it. I'm still not convinced because we don't really have the greatest close above it. Though we just swept this liquidity. Let's see if we got divs here. Yeah, I don't know. That actually might have been the high. No. Now that we have a red vector candle, I'm going to say probably not. We're going to see. I'm going to sit on my hands I'm gonna sit on my hands because we're not there yet. Cheer just whispered in your ear. You requested for Gary Network. Is that just... Is it like this? Is this the Gary that you're like? I've never heard of it. I genuinely don't know. Oh, here, Gary Network. Okay. Like I don't know if Gary Token is the same as Gary Network, but let's go over Gary Network. I guess on KuCoin. I don't know. Mexi. Okay. I mean, this looks like shit. Tell you that. Any do you want me? Any do you? What in the hell is going on here? What is going on here? Okay, I don't like KuCoin. Gary. Is this the same coin? Yeah, I guess it is. Okay, bro. What in the world is this coin? Not only have I never heard of it, but what in the world is this coin? It's a Web3 platform coin. Yeah, I don't even know what Web3 means, but you know that like one meme where the guy's like, anyway, okay, let me try, bro. I'm gonna try because yeah, I'm gonna try. So we're obviously ranging. We're obviously at the lows of the range. Man, market cipher 12-hour looks like shit. 8-hour looks like shit. 6-hour looks like shit. 4-hour looks horrendous. 3-hour looks like dog shit. 2-hour looks like dog shit. 1 hour looks mediocre at best. At best. Okay, here's what I'm gonna say, bro. Investor FTX dumped on it. Okay, here's what I'm gonna say, bro. Assuming this coin follows any liquidity and any smart money concepts in itself, we have a lot of liquidity. Dude, I don't know, man. I honestly don't know. I have no idea. I don't even know what to tell you about this coin. I will say, okay, this is the best analysis I literally have for you, and it's not even good analysis. So although I jokingly tell you guys, you know, the disclaimer and don't listen to me, genuinely don't listen to me on this one. I'll give you my opinion. Don't listen to me, though. Because I swear to God, I don't know. But structure right now, you know, was down, up, swept the low. So if we start closing 1 hour candles, actually, I'm going to find you which time frame candles. 1 hour, yes. 2 hour, yes. 3 hour, yes. Let's say a 4 hour candle. The only analysis I literally have for you is if you start closing a 4 hour candle above here, then I would look for this and then to ride it up. If you don't, this thing looks like it could go lower, honestly. And if you're looking to buy it, I mean, like, this is insane. I don't even know how would you even... Anyway, if you're looking to buy, like, maybe here, anything below this low, anything below the low is fine. I have nothing else to say, man. I'm sorry. You're holding. Okay, cool. Yeah, I mean, I wish I had more that I could offer you. I will tell you this. If Bitcoin goes down to 50K, this coin is gonna die. So, you know, just keep that in mind. But aside from that, I'm so sorry, my man. I'm so sorry. I have nothing else to say. Yeah, let's come back to Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, the long is being nice here. We're doing good with the long. With this, whoa, what did I just do? We're doing good with the long, baby. Baby, let's get it. Let me see if I can get that long position up. Guys, if you are new here, welcome. If you are returning, welcome back. And earlier in the stream today, I was talking about coming to take out this high into, now you guys know the zone that I have because I just showed it to you. So let's see if we can get a nice short here together. 0.01% is not pumping. I agree. He only does whispering updates when it's like 4 a.m. Yeah, man. When it's 4 a.m. and I'm still updating you, it's either whispering or I'm snoozing. Which one would you like? Because I don't sleep. You're my starlight. I need you, baby, all night. Come on, dance with me. I'm levitating. So let's see, man. We're going to set an alert here on this high as well. And I am absolutely looking a shorter, baby. Absolutely. I'm gonna short. If I see what I want to see here, I'm going to short the hell out of it. Only if I see the confirmation. We're coming for the high right now. The positions are positioning. Good thing I accidentally closed my short. Let me just make sure that everything is all in check on the other web browser accounts as well. You can fly away with me tonight. You can fly away with me tonight. Yeah, baby. By the way, guys, I'm also testing new exchanges because Mexi is snaking your boy. Okay, yeah, we're chilling here. We're chill. Ooh. Okay. That happened quick. All right, so we just hit our level. Nice. This guy we actually still technically need. This guy we're gonna hide. Boys, on the scalp longs yesterday, hey, y'all know I don't play. It's time to minimum take profits. You don't need to close it because we could go much higher, but we are minimum taking profits. So we're gonna hide all these positions. We're minimum at least TP. And stop loss at entry. Congratulations to my VIP members, baby. Didn't want to wake the neighbors, brother. My everything I do is waking the neighbors, bro. Okay, I gotta get these levels up. Sweet dreams are made of this. You're short from the previous day high. Let's get it. I don't know if I should TP here yet. I'm still not short. But we knew that this was going to happen. That we knew. Let's see what happens here. To disagree. And any short here, I mean, although this is where the thing is, like, obviously we're looking for shorts above the high anywhere, so it's still valid. But anyway, I'm still not short. And it's okay. We'll see what happens here. I got to see where this candle closes. Yo, what's up? Hold on. You're on literal stream bear. One sec. Okay. Anyway. So let's see what happens here. Bro, why don't you sleep? Your gym nutrition is on point. I bet you get your water in. Yeah, sleep is. Man, it's not about wanting. It's I don't get to like it's not by choice. I'm not sleeping by choice. I have sleep apnea. I just can't sleep. Like I can't sleep. Okay, so now that we took that low, hold on, let me cook here. I'm gonna cook here. I'm still not short. Down. Definitely up. Down, up, down, up. No, that's all internal. No, it has to be 15 minutes. 15? Down, down, up, down. Down. Yeah, 15. 15 is the only one that matters. So far, 15 just SFP'd again. Not a good sign. A lot of liquidity beneath us. A lot of liquidity beneath us. 15 just confirmed. Still not short. Divs here on the 1. Divs on the 2. Money flow is still on the rise. We have the red vector candles. We could come up again. Remember, we front ran this level here. We front ran this for now. We need to be paying attention to the 15-minute time frame, though. We're watching the 15. I'm not frozen. Good. What's the name of the song here? Let's see what happens. Confirmed SFP doesn't mean that it's over yet. We're going to come down on our lower time frame structure. I'm going to take profit. I'll re-enter long if I need to. I'm just going to secure the dub. Okay. Long, we just took profit on the long. If it runs, it runs. Totally cool with it. Money flow is thick. 15-second is my favorite time frame to enter, by the way. So far, not really an entry here. Nothing yet. Patience pays, guys. Patience pays. Patience pays. Did the 15 close above yet? Okay, 15, we have a clean break above. So now we officially have a clean break of structure. However, the problem is that we actually kind of want to see a 15-minute close above this level. So we're still very 50-50 right now. Because of the way that it was wicking around, it's safer to now see a break above this pending line. So let's see what happens here. No shorts yet. I'm not shorting yet. You guys do whatever you want. I'm not shorting yet. What am I looking for? I'm looking for divergences and I'm looking for structure changes. Right now, I would want to see this. Especially coming into my zone. Now, this is risky, okay? This is not an exact stop loss. This is not an exact limit order. No, no, no. Not any of that. Don't say that I told you. Nope, I did not tell you. This is an idea that I gave to my VIP members, and I'm giving you the idea. And it's not even a good idea because it's super counter trend trading. It's actually a very bad idea. It's genuinely, and I mean it this time, like, it's genuinely not a good idea. Shouts out to Market Cipher. Whoever's looking to purchase Market Cipher, link is in the description down below. And I appreciate the support. Just like I appreciate whoever hits the like button for me. Let's come down lower. So we have the first div, but we got money flow increasing. I think we're going to come take this high again. We're probably going to hit this area. My guess is we're going to tap this zone. Nothing yet. Oh, hold on. There we go. Nothing yet. For me, nothing yet. Y'all do what you want. Because Geo's an incompetent 5 2 3/4 wannabe singer, non-financial advisor. Crypto's scam, making money possible. Global warming is around there at this flat. Thanks for tuning in. Put your head on my shoulders. Do 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 do. Na 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 na. Baby, you and I will fall in love. You and I will fall in love. Put your head on my shoulders. Ba-na-na-na-na, baby, baby, baby. You shake my nerves and you rattle my brain. Too much love drives a man insane. 'Cause you broke my will, but what a thrill. Goodness gracious, great balls of fire. I like that look 'cause I thought it was funny. I changed my life, looks so fine. Goodness gracious, great balls of fire. I had lyrics for it. We're gonna run that back. I don't remember the lyrics. Let me get my lyrics up. I'm sorry if that was too loud. Final element, get any dumber, your body is gonna forget how to breathe for itself. Well, I mean, technically speaking, that's essentially what sleep apnea is, right? So, you know, it's basically how it is. But thank you for calling me dumb, Christopher Huffman. I appreciate that on this beautiful, sexy Mother's Day. Thank you, man. Thank you for hurting my feelings, bro. I'm so sad. I was having a good Mother's Day, and then now I'm not. And I'm very depressed now. And I think I'm just going to go crawl into a ball because Christopher Huffman called me dumb. So I think, guys, that's the end of the show. I think that's the end of Trader Geo because I thought I was going to be able to handle the hate. But, man, Christopher Huffman thinks I'm dumb, so. Mess it up again? Alright, I'm not gonna mess it up, right? Deep down within the city of Toronto, there lives a singing guy named Trader Geo. He's standing 5'2" and 3/4 tall. He's a sniper on the charts, a market cipher god. And every single day is bringing you the spice. But everything he says is not advice. Go, go. Go, Geo, go, go, go. Christopher Huffman said that I was dumb. He can't even capitalize his own name. Twist and shout. Come on, baby. Just do the twist. Come on, baby. Just do the twist. You know you got to bitty shout. Oh, I like that one. No, that's not the one that I wanted. We'll take it up, baby. We'll take it up, baby. Shake it up, baby. Twist and shout. Twist and shout. Come on, come on, come on now, baby. Come on, baby. Work it on now. Work it on. Baila la bamba. what's up, man? Yo, oh, you've been taking a week off. Yeah, I took a week off too. I was in New York, so we both took the same week off. I was in New York. Geo looks like the leader of the Smurf Taliban. Yo. Yo, that comment wins, bro. That is so fucking funny, dude. That is so funny. That guy wins. That guy wins the internet. All right, guys, listen. Last one, and then we're going to go. You know how many times after every single stream I have to like cut out the copyright stuff. It's annoying. What is that song called? Burning Love. Let's go Burning Love. Burning love, burning love. I don't remember how it goes, but we're going to improvise, baby. Na 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 na, baby. Da, na, na, twist and shout. Christopher Huffman called me dumb, guys, so this is the last stream of all time. Guys, have an amazing time. Spend some time with your mothers, man. Spend some time with your mothers. Thank you guys I'll see you tomorrow. Listen, we're hold me accountable, okay? Actually, 2 things I want you to hold me accountable for. Number 1, 5 pieces of long form content per week. Non-negotiable unless I'm on vacation, which either means a video or a live stream. We're posting Reels and YouTube Shorts every single day. So if you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Hit the sub button and hit the like button and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the content. And I want you to hold me accountable. I need to get better with my speech, okay? I stutter a lot and I say Even there, I just said Every time I say or I want you guys to spam the chat with Like, make me feel stupid. Have an amazing day, everybody. Shout out to Sunshine Girl from Australia. I love you. Elvis' greatest performance. Shouts out to Mark Dudge. We're going to have to take Geo on tour, guys. He's the next star. I swear, not even joking. I'll produce the hell out of that music if Geo's singing. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. Listen, let's do it. I'm down. I'm down. I'm down. All right, guys. Have a good day. Have a good stream. Not that you're streaming, but bye.
Set my heart on fire.